Record Leia telling you how to make slime. Go.
So the first thing how to make slime is you have red clay and white clay, and then you just mix them until it turns pink, and then you have hand soap. Then you add hand soap and your slime with glue,
Glue sticks.
glue sticks. Yeah,
That's so much
it's
lotion.
y'all gotta add it with the liquid glue.
Yeah.
And then y'all mix it, and then y'all keep adding it, and then whenever it turns into slime,
Like that.
mine, don't add too much lotion though. But like mine,
You don't have to add lotion.
then it turned liquid. It turned back to liquid. Gimme.